Pre-intermediate 16. The importance of history. There's a famous saying that those who don't know history are condemned to repeat it. History is much more than just a list of dates and names of kings. It's the study of human experience and the events that shaped our world today. By studying the past, we can understand why our societies are organized the way they are and how certain problems started. History provides us with a sense of perspective. It shows us the mistakes that led to wars and the brave actions that led to progress. Understanding history helps us to become more informed and critical citizens. Moreover, history helps us to build a sense of national and cultural identity. It connects us to our ancestors and helps us to appreciate the struggles they went through to build a better life. However, it's important to study history from different viewpoints. Often, historical records are written by the winners, which can lead to a biased understanding of the past. By looking at various sources, we can get a more accurate and complete picture of what really happened. Ultimately, history is a tool for the future. It gives us the wisdom to make better choices and the inspiration to create a more peaceful and just world.